Welcome to codersclub.in. In this program, we will see how to validate a login form. So this program is called as login form validation program. So let us look into the problem statement. So this is the problem statement. Write a login form which accepts the username and password. Next, write the client-side JavaScript validation. First condition, username should not be blank. Next, username should be at least 6 characters. Password should not be blank. Password should be at least 6 characters. So this is the problem statement. So this is the program. So this is the program. I will first run the program. So this is login.html. I will run this program. See, I will purposely, I don't enter anything into the username. Okay. I try to submit this form, login. So we'll get a message, please enter the username. So now what I will do is, please see that the focus is in the username only. And then I will enter the username, but only 2 characters I am entering. So, but I am supposed to enter at least 6 characters. Now I try to submit this form. You see, I'll get a message that username should be minimum of 6 characters. And when I click this OK, please observe that the focus goes to the username field. See, like this. So now what I will do, I will type in some username which is more than 6 characters. Next, I'll come to the password field. I don't key in anything. I try to submit the form. So I'll get a message, please enter the password. So I press OK and the focus goes to the password field. Now purposely I will type a password which is 4 digits, okay, which is 4 characters in length. It should be minimum 6 characters. So now password should be minimum of 6 characters. So this message I am getting. See, please see when I click this OK, the focus goes to the password field directly. So now I will enter a password which is more than 6 characters and then submit this login form. See, you should get actually a message called as login success. I am going to a page called as login success. Okay, so that is what should happen. Okay, I think due to some problem it is not going there, but that is what it is. The form is submitted basically if all these 4 conditions are satisfied. So that's the thing. And then see, let us look into the program now. So the program, so in the body section we are writing a form. It's starting here and it is ending here, and form has 3 attributes, that is name, method, and then action. So name, this is the name of the form I have given as login form. Method is post. So HTTP has got 2 methods. One is get method and then post method. So I am using a method here called as post. And then action is login success.html. This may be any resource. So this, if you are developing a program in PHP, this may be a PHP program. If you are developing in Java, this may be a controller program. Okay, like that. Okay, so when the form is submitted, actually the control should go here. So that is what is the thing. Next, we have a table here with border is equal to 1. And within that, I have written here a TD username, and then here input name is equal to username, type is equal to text, size is equal to 15. Similarly, I have written for password also. And I've got a submit button here, type is equal to submit, value is equal to login, and on click is equal to return validate. I am calling a function called as validate. Okay. So this is a validate function. This is a JavaScript function written within the head portion, and it is also written within the script tag function validate. See here how we are validating this one. If document dot login form dot username dot value, if it is equal to blank, then we are displaying a message, please enter the username. And then we are taking the focus to the username. How? Document dot login form dot username dot focus, and then we are returning false. So when you return false, what happens is the form is not submitted. Okay, so that's the reason. And next, here we are checking the whether the username length is 6 or not. So how we are checking that? Document dot login form dot username dot value dot length is less than 6, then display this message. Username should be minimum of 6 characters, and then take the focus to the username field. Okay, and similarly the code is written for password also, exactly similar code. Only the difference here is that we are referring to the password text box here. That's all. Okay, and return false. And totally, when everything is okay, you return true. That means you submit the form. So that is what is happening here. Okay, I think there is some problem here. Otherwise, this should have run here actually. Okay, so this is the thing. So please observe the validation. See, in this program, we are actually worried about the JavaScript validation. So see here, login. So please enter the username. So like this. So purposely entered a username which is less than 6 characters. Again, try to submit this form. So we'll get an error message. Okay. And then you have to satisfy these things like this. That means you have to type in username, that is a must. And then the username should be minimum of 6 characters. Similarly, password also should not be blank, and it should be a minimum of 6 characters. So that is the validation required for this particular program. So if all these validation conditions are satisfied, then only the form is submitted. Otherwise, the form is not submitted. The focus comes back to the username field or the password field. Okay. So if this video is useful, please give a like and subscribe to the channel codersclub.in. Thank you.